Vikram on Prudent Finance's video. We are introducing you to Safety Net Credit, which is genuinely a smart lender and which offers perhaps the best way when it comes to availing credit in the UK. And see, in that regard, what we've done is we provided the direct link to this particular application form for Safety Net Credit in the description below this video. It's a very simplistic form. It'll probably not take you more than 5 minutes of your time, and within that you'll easily be able to apply for credit from Safety Net. And see, Safety Net fulfills all of the basic requirements and expectations of customers out there, because one pet peeve has been what are looked at as payday loans, whereas Safety Net Credit is nowhere near being paid a payday loan. It is in fact a credit line which is up to a certain limit, and the APR, or the annual percentage rate, is actually capped at a certain level, ensuring that you don't end up paying exorbitant interest. See, it's one thing to say these things and quite another to actually prove that. See, let's see how much borrowing will actually cost you. There's this very simple slider which is presented from 0 to 500. See, this is again a good thing because it caps the maximum that can be borrowed up to 500 pounds. So let's see, we are looking at a figure of let's say 200 pounds. Around 200 pounds is what we are looking to borrow. If that were to be the case, and let's say we stop at 201, the interest applicable would be 11.26 pounds a week. Interest is capped at 64.32, so you'll never repay more than 265.32 total, no matter how long you borrow. This has been one of the biggest factors when it came to working as a negative against payday loans, because the interest rate would balloon, the interest amount would balloon, and you would end up paying forever and ever and ever. In this particular instance, that does not happen. Even if suppose we were to take the slider all the way up to 500 pounds, if you were to borrow 500 pounds, the interest you would pay would be 28 pounds per week, with interest being capped at 160 pounds. So under no circumstances whatsoever would you ever repay more than 660 pounds total, no matter how long you borrow. See, these are factors which have made Safety Net credit stand out from others in the fray. And that's why if you look at the kind of opinion that folks have had, like David says, very good and helpful company, thank you. Brett says, very good service. Thomas says, very straight and easy to complete and very fast at transferring the money. See, because these are again very important factors. If things are not easy and the money is not received quickly, you will probably not be interested in this service. Troy says it's straightforward. Maria gives it a 5-star rating with a testimony of the fact that Safety Net Credit offers excellent service. And then if you look at Trustpilot reviews, Safety Net Credit has achieved a score of 92 out of 100 from 3,834 Trustpilot reviews. So that's again a true testimony to the kind of quality that Safety Net Credit has to offer. So what we've done in this video is that we introduced you to Safety Net Credit. We've also provided the direct link to the application form. You can review the application form, the link to Safety Net Credit. You can look at all of the reviews that people have had. The amount that you need, you can always pick and choose, and then based on that, everything will be showcased to you right up front. There's no guesswork in terms of, oh, I'm not sure how much interest I'm going to end up paying. In fact, you'll know right up front how much interest you're going to pay and the kind of interest which will be capped, whereby you will never under any circumstances pay more than that particular amount. So you'll be very clear about all of that with Safety Net Credit. So our message in this video is that if you're in the UK and are looking for a reliable, effective, non-exploitative line of credit in the UK, then look no further than Safety Net Credit.